Superfoods. Are they really that super? Hey everyone, it's Dr. Mike for Professional Health. Let's talk about those rock star ingredients we call superfoods. We see them everywhere, but what's the hype all about? Today we'll break down the science behind these nutritional powerhouses and how you can easily incorporate them into your daily routine. So if you're ready to unlock a healthier, more vibrant you, stick around. Blueberries, tiny fruit, huge benefits. First up, we have the mighty blueberry. This small but powerful fruit is a true superfood. These little guys are packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals in our bodies, reducing oxidative stress and supporting cognitive function and memory. They are known to improve brain health, potentially slowing down age-related cognitive decline. Blueberries are also good for your heart, helping to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Regular consumption can improve your cardiovascular health significantly. Adding a handful of blueberries to your diet is a simple yet powerful step towards a healthier heart and brain. Whether you toss them into a smoothie, sprinkle them on your cereal, or add them to a salad, the benefits are immense and delicious. Quinoa, the supergrain you need in your life. Quinoa is a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids our bodies can't produce on their own, crucial for building and repairing tissues. This makes it an excellent choice for athletes, bodybuilders, and anyone looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle. It's incredibly versatile, perfect for breakfast porridge, a salad base for lunch, or a side dish with dinner. You can even use it in desserts for a nutritious twist. Naturally gluten-free, quinoa is a great option for people with gluten sensitivities. It's also rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps keep you feeling full longer. Trust me, once you go quinoa, you won't go back. Its nutty flavor and fluffy texture make it a delightful addition to any meal. Chia seeds, tiny seeds, mighty health benefits. These little seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, essential for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation. Packed with fiber, chia seeds help with digestive health and regulate blood sugar levels. Plus, their antioxidants combat oxidative stress, promoting overall well-being. Kale, the leafy green powerhouse. This leafy green is overflowing with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Vitamin A for vision and immune function, vitamin C for immune support and skin health, and vitamin K for blood clotting and bone health. Studies show vitamin K can improve bone mineral density and reduce fracture risk. Add some kale to your plate to strengthen your bones and keep them healthy. Turmeric, the golden spice with incredible power. Turmeric's vibrant color and potent properties come from curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory. Chronic inflammation is linked to many health problems, and turmeric can help combat it, protecting your body from conditions like heart disease and arthritis. Whether in curries, smoothies, or golden milk, turmeric is a delicious and easy way to boost your health. Unleash the power of superfoods. These nutrient-dense foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can boost your health and vitality. Incorporating these nutritional powerhouses into your diet doesn't have to be complicated. With a little creativity, you can easily add them to your daily meals. Start small and experiment with different recipes. Try adding a handful of spinach to your morning smoothie or sprinkling flax seeds on your cereal, whether it's blueberries in your oatmeal, a quinoa salad, or chia seeds in your yogurt. Every little bit counts. These small changes can make a big difference in your overall health. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Professional Health for more evidence-based health information, and share this video with your friends and family. Spread the word about the benefits of superfoods. Until next time, stay healthy. Remember, every small step towards a healthier diet is a step towards a healthier you.